Turn left. You have arrived
in the Bishkek, Kazakhstan. Mahatma Gandhi stands tall. Look at this sculpture of Mahatma Gandhi. What is written here we can't read. What is written here we can read. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, 2nd October 1869 to 30th January 1948. भारत के प्रधानमंत्री महामहिम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी द्वारा अनावृत्त 12 जुलाई 2015. Such a proud moment for Indians. Mahatma Gandhi. He has been honored, and this is the way. These two girls are sitting here in the jungle, and this is the forest where we are roaming around. What a beautiful moment for us that Mahatma Gandhi is standing here. Actually, he is standing here without his famous specs. I don't know at what age and why Mahatma Gandhi came here, but this is a beautiful gesture from Kazakh government to have his statue in this part of the world. South or Central Asia, Mahatma Gandhi. I feel so good when I see this one. Look at the jungle. सुंदर स्टॅच्यू आहे आणि मला खूप बरं वाटतंय की महात्मा गांधींना इथे आपल्याला बघायला मिळालं. आणि मुख्य म्हणजे हा पुतळा नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी 2015 मध्ये स्थापन केलाय म्हणता येईल, उद्घाटन केलं,
इनॉग्रेशन केलं.